got you on video, George. You want to say anything?
Don't we get drunk and screw?
That's Jimmy Buffett. Okay.
I'm having a big argument with a girl that works here.
You want to say hello to Jimmy Buffett on video?
No, you say hello to him right now. Tell him to go play some more Jimmy Buffett.
Did you request that? Did you request that?
He knows everybody I know, all the old.
Oh yeah. Oh,
You know
okay.
the Coral Reef band?
Oh,
I know that Coral Reef band.
okay.
Like me to pull it? Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna take a little breaky too here. Okay.
All right, Parrot heads, listen up out there. Come on, can you all hear me out there? Happy birthday again. Okay, it's time for the 50-50 raffle. So get out your tickets and pay attention. Okay, so there's gonna, the 50-50 raffle tonight is going to be split two ways. Each winner gets $162. Thank you, Parrot heads. And hold on to your tickets. We got a couple of little prizes to give away after 50-50. Okay, so get out your tickets. We need somebody to pick out the winning ticket. Anybody, volunteer here. Okay, Parrot hands for $162. 609-7883. 7883. Last four numbers. Seven, 883. There's got to be a winner here somewhere. 7883. Come on, Parrot heads, pay attention out here. Do we have a winner?
Better check it, but I believe so. I think I might have it.
We have a winner. Jean Druitt. Oh, Jean Day. I'm sorry, Jean. Forgive me, dear.
Twice in.
$162 there.
Twice in 14 years.
Okay, there's still another $162 to give away. Are you still paying attention out there? No? Well, if you don't pay attention, I take the money home. Okay, who's going to pick out the next winning ticket here? Pick out another winner here. Okay, listen up, Parrot heads. 609-7901. 7901 for $162. Do we have a winner? 7901 Robin. All right, girl. Happy birthday. Okay, congratulations to Robin, $162. She told me she's buying the whole bar around.
You better hide it. He said throw him away. I don't want him. William said it's his ticket.
Okay, hold on, everybody pay attention here. Ain't that something to say? Come on, everybody pay attention here.
So Parrot instituted everybody wear your crazy hat night. So people who wore crazy hats, raise your hands. Who has hats on?
Took mine off. It is.
Well, we have voted that Jan Perryman has the best hat in the crowd. So where's Jan? Woo! All right. So go pick a little prize off the table there. Good job. All right, so we have a couple prizes here. Thank you so much, Ben Smith, for bringing all your prizes. He gave us a bunch. We're gonna save a lot of them for memory night, but we have 3 that we're gonna give away tonight. So we're gonna pick 3 more numbers, and somebody here in the crowd, please pick a number. Here comes somebody. Yeah. You said that.
Lower? No. Wait. What happened? She put her in.
Did you win anything yet, George?
Okay, last 4 numbers. 7865. 7865. Last 4
He took a
numbers.
break. He's taking a break. This is
Green
money.
ticket,
This is money time.
7865. Somebody out there has it. Pay attention, Parrotheads. I know it's difficult. Hey! Okay, 7865. Come on. You couldn't see your ticket? Yeah. Hey, wait, this has whiteout on it. Okay. Very good job. 7702. 7702. 7702. Going once. Do we have a winner? What do you mean, wait? Well, what's the problem here? Just take a shot. 7702.
I know.
Did you win, John? Did you win?
Okay, one more prize.
That'll go good by the bar.
Yeah, hang it right there.
Yep. Hang it right there as you enter. Beware.
7946. 7946. We have a blow-up doll. Use your own imagination. 7946. It comes with helium. 7946 going once. Okay. Parrot heads again. We got one more? I think I took the tickets back. What do we have here? Give it that way. 7937. 7937.
T-shirt.
7937.
Oh, that's mine.
All right, 79. Oh, we have a winner?
Somebody said I won. I don't know.
I don't know. Do you have the winning number? 79.